There was a time when medicine was feared more than diseases. A time when illness was treated not with understanding but with violence. Patients were bled, sometimes until they fainted. Leeches were applied to drain life itself. Doctors believed disease was an enemy to be expelled. Even if the cure weakened the patient more than the illness. In the era of suffering, one man dared to question everything. His name was Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. Born in 1755 in Germany, Dr. Hahnemann was a brilliant physician, chemist, and linguist. He mastered multiple languages, translated medical texts, and possessed a sharp logical mind. But the more he practiced conventional medicine, the more disturbed he became. He saw patients grow worse. He saw lives lost, not to disease, but to treatment. And slowly, painfully, a realization dawned upon him. I cannot continue practicing a system that harms those who trust me. Hahnemann made an unthinkable choice. He abandoned medical practice. To survive, he began translating medical and scientific books, and it was during one such translation that destiny quietly knocked. Cinchona experiment. While translating a book by William Cullen, Hahnemann read that cinchona bark cured malaria because it was bitter and tonic. But Hahnemann was not satisfied. He asked a dangerous question. What if this medicine cures not because it's bitter, but because it produces symptoms similar to malaria? To test this, he did something radical. He took cinchona bark himself while completely healthy. Soon, he developed chills, fever, sweating, symptoms strikingly similar to malaria. And in that moment, a spark in light. He began systematically testing medicines on healthy individuals, carefully recording every mental, emotional, and physical symptom. This process became known as drug proving. For the first time in history, medicine was studied based on effects on humans, not theories, not animals, not assumptions. Each symptom mattered, each individual mattered. But after administering medicines in his experiment, he realized that healthy human beings appears with symptoms that are similar to its disease. So he researched logically and methodologically, and this led to foundation of homeopathy through a law similia simillimum curantur.